Excuse me.
Does this bus go downtown?
Yes, but you need to get off at the third stop.
Thank you. I'm new here.
Really?
Where are you from?
I'm from a small town near Chicago.
Wow.
Big cities can be scary at first.
Yeah.
I already got lost twice today.
Don't worry. You'll get used to it.
I hope so.
So, why did you move here?
I got a new job.
Congratulations. What do you do?
I'm a marketing assistant.
That sounds interesting.
Honestly, I'm nervous.
Everyone feels nervous on the first day.
What if my coworkers don't like me?
Stop overthinking.
Easy for you to say.
Trust me, you'll be fine.
Good morning, everyone. This is Emma, our new employee.
Hi, everyone. Nice to meet you.
Welcome to the team.
Let me know if you need any help. Thank you so much.
Emma, you'll work closely with Jake.
Don't worry. I'm a very patient teacher.
That's good, because I ask a lot of questions.
Then we'll get along.
Did you notice how Jake looked at Emma?
Don't start gossiping again.
I'm serious.
Jake is friendly with everyone.
Not like that.
You watch too many drama shows.
Maybe, but I think something is going on.
Do you want to grab dinner?
Sure, but only if you're paying.
Deal.
So, have you always lived here?
Pretty much.
I envy you.
Why?
You look confident.
I fake it sometimes.
Really?
Everyone has insecurities.
Jake.
Rachel, what are you doing here?
Should I leave?
No, stay. I just wanted to say hello.
This is awkward.
I heard you work nearby.
Yeah,
Are you dating her?
Wait.
What?
it's not like that.
Sure.
I think Jake still loves his ex.
Why do you think that?
He looked nervous when he saw her.
That doesn't mean he loves her.
Maybe I should stay away from him.
Or maybe you should talk to him first.
I hate complicated relationships.
Why are you avoiding me?
I'm busy.
That's not true.
I just don't want drama.
Rachel means nothing to me now.
Then why did you look so emotional?
Because she hurt me badly.
I didn't know that.
You never asked.
Maybe because I was scared.
Thank you for coming.
I almost canceled.
Why?
Because I was nervous.
You always say that.
Maybe because it's true.
Emma, can I ask you something?
Sure.
Do you like me?
That's a dangerous question.
I still want the answer.
Maybe I do.
Emma, when are you coming home?
I'm busy with work, Mom.
You always say that.
I'm trying to build my future.
Don't forget your family.
I won't.
Hi, Emma. Jake still talks about you all the time.
Really?
He likes you.
Then why does he seem distant sometimes?
Because he's afraid of getting hurt again.
Emma, I don't want to lose you.
Then stop pushing me away.
I'll try,
Relationships are scary.
but they're worth it.
Maybe you're right.
So dinner tomorrow?
Only if you pay again.
Deal.